The Ulefone Power Armor 16S is a rugged phone, a very affordable rugged phone that is perfect for your outdoor activities. You can take it out anywhere. It's durable enough to survive different environmental conditions. So you could take it out, take it anywhere you want. And you could use this device as a home theater, guys, because it has a 3.5 watt speaker that has a max loudness of up to 128 decibels. So yeah, it's a device with a very loud speaker, guys. And if you're interested in this device, it's very affordable. Make sure to use the links in the video description to get it at a very affordable price. So let's explore its top features and specs so you see just how nice this device is. So this device weighs 406 grams and it is 25.3 millimeter thick. So it's a very thick and very heavy rugged phone. It is equipped with a 9600 mAh battery, which is quite large, and it supports fast wire charging. It also supports 10 watts dock charging. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. As for the display, the phone features a 5.93 inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with oleophobic coating, and the resolution is 720 by 1440 pixels, which isn't bad actually for a budget rugged phone. The device is powered by the Unisoc T616 processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup led by a 50MP primary sensor. It is a Samsung S5K JN1 sensor, also known as the ISOCELL JN1, followed by a 2MP depth camera. The front-facing camera is 8MP. The primary sensor is capable of recording up to 1080p videos at 30fps, and the device also features different camera modes including normal mode, night mode, pro mode, macro mode, and so on. The device also supports underwater photography, which means you can be able to take photos and record videos underwater. So other features includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports face unlock, dual SIM, 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS. It also supports NFC. It has a USmart expansion port. It ships with the Android 13 and it has a customizable key. So there we go, guys, the Power Armor 16S. It's a very nice rugged phone, and like I mentioned earlier, you could get it for a very affordable price by using the links in the video description. So what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.